Hi, my name's Chris, and today I'm going to be trying out a Lizzy Rascal juice, kindly sent to me by Liquid Ice. You can find their link in the description. This is a Lizzy Rascal juice I'm going to be trying. Let's have a look. Flavourings: lime, mint. Sounds good. Like mint. Mint's one of my favourites, but go-to juice. Right. Normal instructions. Usage. Storage. I'm using a 4 vape box. Quite a hefty box. Desktop more like. A bit heavy for the pocket. It's got a... I don't know what the mod is. The tank is on that. Oh, it's a Shadow 2mm. Yeah, the restrictions are 2mm in the UK now on all tanks. I don't know why. I've still got some 5mm, but they're hard to get hold of now. Let's fill it up. Let's change the coil so it'll give it a good fresh test. And I shall leave it to stand for around 10 minutes and then see what it's like. I'm going to be trying out the Lizzy Rascal mix. I've left it sitting for about 10 minutes now. It's 50% PG, 50% VG. I've got it in my 4 vape mod box. Nice mod box, quite heavy. Not really a carry about one, but good for the office or home. It's got the Shadow 2mm tank on it, and I've got the vents fully open. Good clouds, nice throat hit. Yeah, I like the subtle taste of mint in that, and that's a nice juice. If you want to check out Liquid Ice, their link's in the description.